Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. So today we're going to be improving our script using thread. So to do that we need to import threading. And then we're going to basically turn this into a function. Pretty easy, right? Because the code's already made. Alright, then we're going to, for thread 1 equals threading dot thread target equals DOS. T1 dot Damien, that means it's going to run on its own. And then T1 dot start. So then you're going to copy this and then make it 5 times. And then we'll just make it to thread 2, thread 3, thread 4, thread 5. And then we're going to but we don't want to show all these packets. We're just going to show one equals, how about we'll do print attack started. That way the user knows what's going on. And if you, I just realized you won't be able to see this, so what we have is just it copied over and over again. Alright, let's make it a new line. Let's try to make a new line, so that's interesting. Let's try that. Alright, there we go. That makes it work. Yeah, it failed getting the address, but as you can see, now it's working very well. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll probably post my Discord. Let me know what else you'd like to see. If you want me to see me make an API or botnet or something like that, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.